support progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
I am delighted and privileged to welcome His Excellency Yasir Al-Rumayyan, Chairman of Saudi Aramco and the Governor of the Public Investment Fund, to join the board of Reliance Industries Limited as an independent director. He is one of the most renowned names in energy, finance, and technology globally. I am sure that we will immensely benefit from his rich experience of running one of the world's largest companies and also one of the largest sovereign wealth funds in the world. His joining our board is also the beginning of internationalization of Reliance. You will hear more about our international plans in the times to come.